welcome back to Digital Digest, and in this video I'm going to show you how to download Tom Clancy's Rainbow Six Siege on your PC or laptop. Alright, let's get started. So the first step is to go to Steam website. So let's go ahead and search for Steam, and here you can see this is our website. Click on this website, and over here what you have to do is click on install Steam button. If you don't have the app installed, you have to click on this button right here and then click on install Steam. After that, you have to make your Steam account. So for that, you can just click on login and you can click on create account over here, and you can fill in the information. So I have already installed Steam, so I'm gonna open the Steam application now. Alright, so once you're in this Steam store page, what you can do is on the right hand side you can see the search button, and over here search for Tom Clancy's Rainbow Six Siege. So here you can see this is our first item on the result. So once you click here, you can see the store page for this game, and when you scroll down you can see there are various editions available. So you can just click on the first one, which is the basic game. So it will cost you $14.99. So to buy this, what you can do is just click on add to cart, and once you click on add to cart, what you have to do is click on view my cart, and from here you will have to click on continue to payment. So let me remove this game, and here you can see it will cost you close to $15. So here what you have to do is just click on continue to payment, and here you have to make the payment with your payment method that you have added. So once you do that, the game will be available on your library, and from there you will be able to download and install this game and enjoy playing it. So that's it. That is how you'll be able to download Tom Clancy's Rainbow Six Siege on your PC or laptop. Thank you for watching this video, and I will see you on the next one. Also, don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more videos like this.